Hi, I want to share with you a live trade that I am in on the light crude oil micro future contract. Today is Thursday, the 1st of June 2023. I've taken this trade using our proprietary software trading tool that paints the price bars blue, as you can see here, as a sign of strength. It would paint them red as a sign of weakness, or green as a sign of neutrality. So then we couple the price bar colors with our unique rule set that we use to determine the price action trend. And as you can see here, we got a beautiful entry down here. We had bars that had turned blue just after 3 p.m. UK time today. It is now just after 4:30, so over this last hour and a half, presently we're up 1,065, 1,060, 65. It's live, it's a live trade, dollars. It's a great trade, let me tell you. I've moved my stop up, but I'll tell you why we entered the trade. We had blue bars, we came up, we came down again, we got a confirmed higher price action trend, a higher low based on our rule set. The bars were blue, indicating strength. Our trend was now confirmed as being an uptrend based on our price action methodology. And indeed, what has this market done? It has just went up and up and up and up. And indeed, it is what you would call a super duper trade. Okay, here's where we are. Here's where my stop is. The market's at 70.56. 70.17 strategically is where my stop is. The reason it's up here is because this is another confirmed higher price action trading low, trading bar low, I should add. That means that if the market comes down here, it has changed trend. But at this minute in time, the market is continuing to rally. And we cannot be bad to over $1,000 in just over an hour and a half. If you want to learn more on how you can use this and the methodology and the software yourself going forward, go to beawinningtrader.com. So www.beawinningtrader.com/masterclass. Register in there, watch a webinar, and you will get a greater insight into how we trade and how our methodology works. Okay, look, thank you in the meantime, and remember, beawinningtrader.com to trade as a professional and have consistent success. Thank you.